Beginner, the egregious mistake that we all make is that we all try to learn grammar at first hand, and due to which we squander lots of our time and we end up with no results. Therefore, today in this video, I'm going to share few tips and tricks of the trade in a systematical way. If you are following in your daily life in order to learn English language, then this will expedite or accentuate your efficiency in English language. So let's get started. So the very first thing that I will suggest you not to do is do not try to learn grammar at first hand. And this will not expedite your learning efficiency if you're doing so. Because when you are a beginner, if you're learning grammar at first hand, so this will take lots of your time and you will be frustrated, and as a result you will back out of your learning language. You will give up learning language. Instead, to focus on sentence structure. Follow particular motivational speaker or whomever you watch and follow how they're speaking. Read books, listen, and understand the sentence structure of it. Pay your rapt attention towards it. That's how you can improve this language. And secondly, if you have any particular chosen speaker, listen to him or her every single day. Imitate the person. Shadowing techniques is a great technique here in case of learning any language, because when you are emulating someone, this will help you to improve your pronunciation, as well as this helps you to improve your vocabulary, as well as you are training your mind to understand the language, how it is spoken. So it has many benefits if you are following it as an ardent learner. I know that you are ardent learner, so follow all these techniques that I'm just telling you in an apple pie way. And last but not the least, every day try to learn phrasal verb or small phrase. For instance, come here, go there, stand up, sit down, come back, go back. So this kind of small phrasal verb or phrase will help you to expedite your learning efficiency, and this makes you fundamentally a good speaker. You can be zero to hero if you are using all these techniques. In short, I will tell you that whatever I have suggested to you, these are not enough to learn vocabulary or to learn English language, I know, but if you have other more opinion, if you have more other way, or if you have other way to improve English, you can comment and you can let me know, because I really want to know which is the best way to teach English to someone. So I hope this was enough evident that this video is sufficient to understand like what I'm just trying to say, because my reason to make this video is to just let you know that how you can learn English without even learning grammar, because in my way I have never tried to learn grammar at first hand, because my learning started from listening. I used to listen a lot, and until now as well I listen a lot every single day. So these were the few tips and tricks of the trad you would inculcate in your learning journey, and you would be living wonderful prosperous life. And my support for you would be always always there. I'll be supporting you all the time. I'll be keep making video. So thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.